Cramping Your Style, Understanding a Common English Expression. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fun and widely used English expression, to cramp one's style. This phrase is interesting because it reveals a lot about social interactions and personal freedom. Stay tuned as we dive into its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, to cramp one's style, refers to the act of limiting or restricting someone's behavior, freedom, or way of expressing themselves. It's often used when someone feels that their ability to act naturally or comfortably is being hindered by another person or a particular situation. The key idea here is the impact on personal expression and comfort. Though its exact origins are a bit murky, to cramp one's style is believed to have emerged in the late 19th or early 20th century. It was used in the context of social and artistic circles, where personal expression was highly valued. Over time, it has become a common part of English, used in a variety of situations to express a feeling of constraint or discomfort caused by others. You can use to cramp one's style in many different scenarios, from light-hearted and casual to more serious discussions. Here are a few examples. Casually among friends, I didn't invite my younger brother to the party because I thought he might cramp my style. In a work context, I appreciate your help, but I need some space to do this my way. I feel like the constant supervision is cramping my style. While traveling, I love traveling alone because I can do whatever I want without worrying about someone cramping my style. Remember, while the phrase can be used in various contexts, it's important to consider the tone and relationship between people to avoid misunderstandings. There are several expressions similar to cramp one's style, that you might also find useful. To step on someone's toes. This means to interfere with what someone is doing, often causing annoyance or conflict. To put a damper on things. Used when something lessens the enjoyment, enthusiasm, or quality of an experience. Understanding these variations can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express nuances in different situations. And that's a wrap on to cramp one's style. We hope this video has been informative and has given you a new phrase to add to your English repertoire. Whether you're navigating social situations, expressing your need for personal space, or just enjoying learning new expressions, remembering the impact of your words and actions on others is key. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the culture and expressions that make it rich and vibrant. Happy learning!